Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to write a program using a C language and make a blinking heart. And also you can change the background color, like a blinking, sparkling kind of background. The software I'm gonna use is Dev C++, and I will also paste the code in the description so it will be easy for you. So here we go, this is the code over here, and first let me show you that how it looks like. Just run the code. So this is the thing, how it will looks like, and also the background color, it will change. And if you don't want the background color to change, simply remove few of the lines from the program. Let me show you, like from here to until here. There we go, and run the program again. Now the background color will not change. The only color which will change is the heart color. You can also change the name over here, like I'm using this, but you can also use some different names, just like for example, I love you, and run the code. Maybe you need to change some spaces over here, as you can see this spot, so just adjust some spaces. Yeah, it's okay, looks good. So I'm gonna paste the code in the comment. If you need anything, you can let me know. Thank you so much. Bye bye.